Hey everyone, welcome to the section Python Mini Project. I hope you had a productive learning in previous sections. In this section, we will be completing a hands-on project like this. First things first, guys, don't worry about the code which is already written here in this notebook. We will be writing everything from scratch in the future videos of this section. But I just want to show you what is the final outcome we expect from completing this project. So, the project we are building is known as Hangman Game. Yes, Hangman Game. Here, the program assumes a random word and gives us a hint as how many letters are present in that particular word. It is expected from the player to find the right word by guessing a word or a letter. Okay, I'll simply execute the code here. Yes, now the system has printed the message. Welcome to the game Hangman. The word is star 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 and it has 5 letters and the game begins now and you have got 10 chances to find the right word. As you can see in the output, it is asking for input from the user. The input can be either a letter or a word of length 5. Let's say I'll enter the letter as T and press the enter key. Okay, we have the output that says you have guessed one letter truly, that is T. Now we have got the hint as where does the letter T is positioned in the correct word. So it is T star 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 star. And the program is now asking us to guess the next letter or word and says we have only 9 chances left to find it. So this time I'll enter the letter as A and press the enter key. Now we have the output that says entered input does not exist in the word T star 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 star. And this has resulted in losing one more chance for us. So we now have 8 chances left. This time, let's input the word to the program. Since it's a 5-letter word, I'll enter the word as times and press the enter key. Okay, we have the output that says, sorry, it's not correct. And with this, we have lost one more chance and we are left with 7 chances to find the right word. Now, let's see what happens if I enter a word which is not equal to number of letters as expected by the program. So what I'll do is, this time I'll just enter the input word as Twitter and press the enter key. So guys, we now have an instruction message which says, you should enter only one letter or a word with the length 5. Please enter again. That means, we can enter only a letter or a word which is of the same length as of the right word assumed by the computer. So guys, with this, we are left with 6 chances to find the right word. Since I am aware of the right word, so what I'll do is, I'll write as Trump and press the enter key. Hooray! We now have the output that says, congratulations, you have found the word Trump in 5 chances. So guys, you now have an idea as what is the project we are building. So let me read out the functionality which are expected from this program. This program assumes a random word and gives a hint as how many letters are present in that word. Then each player has 10 chances to find the correct word as assumed by program. The program can take either a single letter or the word as input. And when the user inputs the single letter, then if that particular letter is present in assumed word of program, then the program returns that particular letter's position in the word. For example, if the program's assumed correct word is Facebook and the user has input the letter as O, then the program should return as star 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 OO star. That means the system gives the hint to the user about the position of input letter in the correct word. Now, if the user guesses the right word, then the program should display the confirmation message with the number of moves made by the user to guess the right word. If the user is unable to guess the right word with 10 chances, then the program should display the right word selected by the program. So guys, these are the basic functionalities expected by our program. To summarize, the scenarios which has to be covered during the code development are: when the user gets the right word, then system should display the output with number of chances used by him. And if the user is unable to guess the right word after 10 moves, then program should display the right word. And if the user inputs the wrong word or a letter as input, then proper instructions should be provided to the user. So guys, are you ready to work with me on this project? And if your answer is yes, no doubt, let's work on this project from the next video. So guys, see you then.